against steel at thousands of degrees. Your hand will remain intact. Draw a straight line in front of a rooster. It's like the rooster is hypnotized, and the line is erased. The rooster comes back to life. Put the magnet next to the black substance. It'll be surrounded by the black stuff fast. This is the magic of magnetic clay. Blow into the straw. Water will immediately flow into the bowl. This is the siphon phenomenon. Touch garlic with your bare hands. You can lift an egg yolk with your bare hands. Put cotton wool on the bubble solution. With a gentle poke, you'll get a regular circle. Draw a line around the ladybug. The ladybug will get trapped and can't get out. Pour iodophor in the water. Stir well. Put in a piece of apple. Stir the apple for a few seconds. The water will become clear. Rub the bottle repeatedly. Tap it gently. The wine will gush out. That's how an atomic bomb explodes. Put a paper towel in the bottom of the glass. Pour water over it to wet it. Just put a cup on top of the paper towel. You can lift the cups underneath together. That's the power of atmospheric pressure. Stuff a cotton ball in the mouth of a bottle. Scoop up a bit of sewage from the ditch and turn the bottle upside down. You can filter out clean water. How powerful
Add a
is
donut shape and use the yellow square to adjust the size. Go to format shape and change the color. And then set the transparency to 20%. No outline. Next, duplicate the slide and move donut. Repeat these steps as many times as you need. Add text to the slides and apply a morph transition. You'll have a cool animated slide. Share this video with your friend and watch more tutorials on my profile. If you put an image on a slide, then add a donut shape and use the yellow square.
Susunod na number, halimbawa 2, 3 ang sumunod, 5, 6 ang sumunod, yung 8, 9 ang sumunod, ito times 2 mo naman yung ito, 5 times 5, 25. Kaya mo, yung 5 nagiging 6 ang sumunod, ang 8, 9 nagiging sumunod.
Mga idol, tatlong uri ng pagtatali ng kawid o biwas na ginagamit sa papingwit. Ayan o, ganito lang pala mga idol yung tatlong uri na yun o. Na talagang napakatibay talaga. Talagang magagamit mo ng ayos.
And that's why you want to avoid magnesium oxide, simply because it doesn't absorb very well. The best magnesium to use for sleep is magnesium glycinate. The best magnesium to use for mental clarity and function is magnesium threonate. And the best magnesium to use for constipation is magnesium citrate. But the important thing is all three of these will raise magnesium levels in the blood. And that's why you want to avoid magnesium oxide, simply because it doesn't absorb very well.
If you have inactivated Windows PC, you need to do this. Just press the Windows key plus X, then go to Terminal Admin, type slmgr/rearm command, and hit Enter. Then click OK. After restarting your PC, your Windows activation period will be
Your
reset.
headphones come with a microphone. Have you ever noticed those rings on the bottom of your headphone plug? Well, they actually tell you a lot about your headphones. You see, one ring is for mono playback, which provides identical sound to both ears. And 2 rings are for stereo sound, where each ear gets its own sound channel. And if the plug has a 3rd ring, well, it means your headphones come with a microphone.
Computer mo. Una, press Shift plus Window plus S at lalabas ang tab niya. Sa unang button, dito ka pwede mag-screenshot anywhere sa desktop mo by drag and hold lang. Sa pangalawang button, ito ang screen recording. Pwede ka mag-record kahit saan part ng desktop mo by drag and hold and press record. At sa huling button, pwede ka mamili ng sizes na screenshot mo sa desktop mo. Makikita ang screenshot mo sa files, bandang pictures, and doon sa screenshot folder. While sa screen record mo, makikita ito sa may videos. Paano mag-screenshot dito sa computer mo? Una, press Shift plus Window plus S.
Routine exercise para iwas frozen shoulder. Gawin ito daily. Let's start!
Number 2, ang susunod dahan-dahan lang, ang tinatawag na hook fist. So you're squeezing just the distal fingers. Yan, makita nyo, dahan-dahan lang siya. At gawin lang ito ng 20 repetitions. Ang pangatlo ay tinatawag na table tap. I-squeeze nyo lang and hold it ng 2 to 3 seconds, 20 repetitions. Yung pang-apat, ito, ikot lang yung ang wrist natin ng 60 seconds, mga 1 minute, tapos i-open lang ang mga daliri, yung wide opening. Yan, parang ini-stretch nyo yung mga tendon sa mga daliri. So, wide opening ang tawag dyan. Pang-lima, thumb pinch. Ipapasok lang yung thumb and then squeeze it with 4 fingers. Again, hold it for 2 seconds, 20 repetitions. Yan, dahan-dahan lang din siya. Last one, ito yung wrist extension. Hold it for 30 seconds, 3 repetitions para ma-stretch yung muscles. Gawin ito sa umaga at sa gabi. And don't forget to follow the